In the arena of modern warfare, technology evolves at a breakneck pace. The development of fighter jets has reached new heights with 5th and 6th generation aircraft. These machines are marvels of engineering, equipped with stealth capabilities, supersonic speeds, and integrated avionics that allow them to dominate the airspace. But it's not just about speed and stealth anymore. It's also about the ability to connect and command. Take, for example, the concept of network-centric warfare. This strategy uses cutting-edge technology to link aircraft, sensors, and commanders. In this interconnected web, data flows seamlessly, giving pilots a comprehensive view of the battlefield. This means decisions are faster and more informed, which in combat could mean the difference between victory and defeat. But the skies aren't just home to these metal Goliaths. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have carved their niche in aerial warfare. Initially used for reconnaissance, drones have evolved into formidable opponents capable of precision strikes without putting a pilot at risk. The technology behind drones is fascinating. They can be operated remotely from halfway across the world or autonomously through sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms. Drones bring a distinct advantage in terms of endurance. Without the need for a cockpit or life support systems, these machines can stay airborne for hours or even days, far longer than any human pilot could endure. This makes them ideal for missions that are too dull, dirty, or dangerous for manned aircraft. However, while drones offer the advantage of no risk to pilot life and extended endurance, they also face limitations: communication lag, vulnerability to electronic warfare, and the current limitations of AI in dynamic combat scenarios pose significant challenges. The fusion of manned and unmanned systems represents the future of air combat. Programs like the U.S. Air Force's Skyborg, which aims to pair manned fighter jets with autonomous drones, show the potential of such synergies. These drones can act as force multipliers, expanding the capabilities of manned aircraft by taking on additional roles from surveillance to missile deployment, all coordinated with the piloted jets. As we peer into the future, the integration of AI and machine learning into both drones and fighter jets will likely lead to even more sophisticated strategies and tactics. The aircraft of the future will not only be faster and more lethal, but smarter. In summary, the skies of the next decade will feature an intricate dance between advanced fighter jets and versatile drones, each complementing the other's capabilities. As technology marches forward, the face of air combat will continually evolve, becoming more automated, more integrated, and significantly more complex. The future of aerial warfare will be characterized by a blend of human skill and robotic precision, a truly formidable combination in the theater of war.